Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha. Today I am back with a new Madhubani drawing. First we will draw an elephant with the help of pencil. I have drawn it step by step. Just watch the video carefully, then you will be able to draw it easily. When we draw with pencil, we can do changes if needed. Later we can do outline. Final image of elephant is almost done. Now we will do outline with the help of black gel pen. To draw border, I have used 2 rupees coin. Today I am going to make a very easy border. I have just drawn semicircle with the help of 2 rupees coin. And now connect all the semicircles with the help of curve line. Again, outline done with black gel pen. Draw some curve lines on semicircle, then it will look like a flower. After completing the border, we will draw one more outline around the elephant. After completing outline, we will draw patterns. I have drawn very easy patterns. Just watch carefully, you will get the idea. I have used Broder black gel pen to make this painting, and this pen is really good and very cheap too. The result of this pen is really nice. drawing and pointed brushes. If you are not comfortable with acrylic paints, then you can use brush pens. In my previous videos, I have explained how we can use brush pens in Madhubani paintings. You can check those videos on I button or link is provided in description box. Finally, coloring is complete. Now we will draw pattern to give it a heavy look. Very simple pattern of 4 curved lines I have drawn here. Finally, the drawing is complete and it is looking beautiful. You can frame it and decorate your walls like this. Guys, do comment and tell me how did you find this painting, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.